What do you mean cross-company code transfer? So we have to answer like this. So this is indirect way of asking, like, how the stock transfer will happens in between two company codes, or else they can able to ask, do you have any idea about stock transfer methods? Do you have any idea about how exactly intercompany stock transfer works? Probably can able to answer. The stock, if so you have to answer like this. The stock, if supposed to be moved from one plant to another plant, those two plants which uniquely assign to two different company codes, then we will call it as intercompany stock transfer or else cross-company stock transfer. Basically, how it happens, uh, receiving company code basically will raise purchase order to supplier delivering company code so that, the plant which is assigned to supplying company code will transfer the stock to the receiving plant or ordering plant. In if you way back to the configurations, the material which supposed to be transferred from one plant to another plant, it must be extended. So, and receiving plant in supplying sales area will be created as a customer, vice versa, and supplying plant will be created as a vendor in receiving sales area. So, like that, you have to make some sort of settings, uh, like uh, so you required to use a purchase order document type called NB, and NLCC is the item category, and NLC is the scheduling category. Basically, this stock transfer can be in two ways. One is one step, and second one is two-step process. What exactly it is, I mean to say that if client requirement says that one step, so it is auto transfer without having transit bucket. So Migo will be excluded, the step Migo. So if it is two-step process, stock will be initially in stock it transfer, and after that, once you do the Migo, stock will be transferred from supplying plant to receiving plant. When it comes to transactional flow, for this, you have to create, uh, PO from receiving plant to supplying plant by using ME21N and outbound delivery VL10D. And again, here I said that depends on one step or two-step process. You may go for Migo or without Migo based on the configuration settings. And on top of it, like if you required over delivery also, that also you can able to control it. And you will have for maintaining shipping data, another couple of configuration you have to make it for supplying plant and receiving plant. And when it comes to transactional further flow, once outbound delivery is done, you have to create Miro, and outbound side, okay, you have to create by using VF01, you have to create invoice and Migo. Actually, basically this is how the it works. And when it comes to pricing, it depends, like you have to use a standard ICWA01 for supplying sales area plus document pricing procedure plus customer pricing procedure for price determination. So this is how it happens. Uh, so apart from that, you will have a regular settings. With this, we can achieve cross-company stock transfer. So this is the full explanation of intercompany sales, how it works, transaction flow and configuration and everything. But if someone asks, like no one giving this much time to explain, they might ask some cross questions around it. So probably you can simply say that a stock transfer between uh, two plants which is assigned to two different company codes, then the process we will call it as a intercompany stock transfer or else cross-company stock transfer. Okay, probably the transaction flow is like this. Receiving a plant will rise purchase order to supplying plant, so that by using ME21N transaction, and VL10D is for outbound delivery. Okay, it depends on the situation whether you would like to go for Migo with for two step and Auto Migo with one step. First, once stock is transferred, you have to raise the bill uh, from supplying plant to receiving plant by using VF01 transaction for that particular outbound delivery. This is how you can able to simply explain this. Okay, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. If you really wanted to learn with explanation interview questions, you can subscribe this course as for HANA sales entry questions. Obviously, it will be useful for your ECC also. So if you would like to do the support learning, you can try these two courses. It will be helpful if any support project is there. And this is for my full-fledged course on as for HANA sales in simple English with practicals. Definitely, you can give a try. Okay. And apart from that, I have a few set of courses, like something like I'm just providing these links below of this video for description. You can try it. This is for idoc training, and this is for getting master right functional as specification. This is my ECC course, 116 hours with 438 lectures. Probably you can try all other set of courses. I'm just providing link here. When it comes to my channel, so it is currently holding 1200 videos. Probably you can listen at least one or two videos in a day so that it will refresh your knowledge. Thanks so much. Have a great day.